Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy BRET coin. So in order to purchase BRET coin, you can use a Bitmart exchange. I will put the link of Bitmart exchange down in the description box as well, where you are going to see a bunch of different meme coins that you can purchase over here. So after creating your account on Bitmart, you need to have USDT in your account. So in order to add USDT, you will have to tap on this assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you are going to see this a deposit tab. So if you tap on deposit, then you will have to tap on USDT. After that, you will have to select the network. So among the given options, you will have to select BEP20 as it has very less fees. Then you are going to see this network and this address. So you need to copy this address and you need to go to your wallet or any other exchange like Binance, and from there you just have to send the USDT in your Bitmart account. Once done, you need to tap on spot, and here you will be able to see the USDT that you have. So once you have USDT in your account, now is the time to purchase the BRET coin. So in order to purchase it, you will have to tap on this search bar in the top, and here you will have to search for BRET. Now once done, you are going to find BRET/USDT. So you simply need to tap on it, and here you are going to see the BRET chart. So over here you will have to tap on buy in the bottom, and then you will have to enter the amount of BRET coin that you want to purchase. You can even add the total amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase the BRET coin. You can even use this slider and you can paste it at 75%, 50% or 25% as per your convenience, and it will automatically take the USDT from your account. After that, you will have to click on this buy BRET button over here, and then your order will be placed and you are going to buy BRET coin on Bitmart. If you want to view them, then you can tap on this assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen again, and here you will be able to see your BRET coin. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.